Drag Week is one of our favorite events, 1,000-mile road trip, 5 days of racing. We're going to show you one of our favorite cars from Drag Week 2017. Every year at the end of the year, we end up with footage we haven't had a chance to get to, but we couldn't miss this one. Check it out.
We're here with Honk if parts fall off in his Malibu. Remind us the setup of this thing.
All right, so we have a, it's not an LS, it's a 23-degree small block Chevy, sport in a Borg Warner 88mm forged milled wheel turbo. We have some antique AFR 23-degree heads on it, going through a Pro Tour converter, turbo 400 transmission with a Ford 9-inch out back, with a 325 rear gear. And this drag week we're using a 28 10.5 Pro Bracket radial tire from Mickey Thompson.
It's quite the setup.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
This car was put in work last year. Not a lot of people would expect a 4-door Malibu to move out like this one.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. We have it really close to 850s now, so we're gonna try to represent really well in street race small block power adder. I think we have a really strong chance at winning the class this year.
Hell yeah, man. That's gonna be fun. You got 4 people in the car this year?
And we're gonna roll 4 deep this year. Last year we did 3 deep and we're completely miserable. So I upped the ante and I challenged my wife and her dad to join me and Adam there. And we are gonna have a miserable time, hopefully.
How did he challenge you? How did you get suckered into this? Oh, it gets better.
I don't know. It's guilt. It's all about the
guilt. Guilt.
My
stand
job
there and look pretty.
Exactly. Stand and look pretty.
All right. Well, every crew needs one of those,
yeah.
so I'm glad you're here.
Thanks.
All right. Well, I can't wait to see this thing make passes again.
Me too, man.
Good to see you again.
Here to kick some ass. Thank you,
Attaboy.
guys. 1320 video.
Yes, sir. Honk if parts fall off. That's right. All right. Good luck to you guys.
Thanks, man. Great to see you.
How it feel?
1320 video, what's
What's
happening?
up, man? How you doing?
How's Kyle today?
Not too bad. Beautiful weather, ton of drag racing.
Dude, we are pumped to be back.
Hell yeah.
Honk if parts fall off.
I heard you honking. Did you lose something?
No, I wanted to say hi.
Perfect. Watch for parts.
Give a warning that we're back in town.
Nice. Well, she's looking good.
And we're pumped to be back. We got the whole Honk crew with us. And we're going to put on a show for everybody this year.
Right, that's what I like to hear.
We moved down to street race power adder, small block power adder. So
Oh yeah.
it's basically 850 index.
Still got the school bus grandma steering wheel.
We had to put steel fenders on, glass window. I cleaned it up, got rid of all the stickers, steel deck lid. I had to put the trunk floors back in.
Oh man.
Honk's been busy in the off season. But,
so did you have to manufacture the look on the trunk lid?
I did. I had to match up the patina,
it looks good.
the old patina is almost 20 years old, so fresh patina is not as easy as it seems.
No,
you know?
I didn't notice.
We try to keep it. Tight.
So keep clicking off those 850s.
We're gonna.
All right, we'll see you in St. Louis.
Just wanted to let you know that parts fell off.
Yeah. They fell out.
Yeah, they did.
We lost the trans dipstick tube out of the trans case.
Oh no!
Yeah, and spilled like 5 quarts of trans fluid all over the bottom of the car.
Ouch.
It's undercoating. It's honk if parts fall off undercoating.
Damn.
We don't have to worry about rust anymore. It's a damn environmental disaster area up on the top end.
Ooh.
So we're getting it back together. We'll get it.
Well,
Don't
good.
worry.
They ain't getting rid of you that easy, right?
Yeah, we might be working late again tonight, but we'll get it.
All
We
right.
ain't giving up.
That's what we like to hear.
Yep.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
You made it!
I made it.
You doing all right?
Wow.
Holy crap. There's a couple minutes to spare.
We rebuilt a transmission twice in 8 hours.
Twice?
Yeah, we couldn't get the parts the first time, thanks to Red's Transmissions, or else we would not have made it here.
Just in the nick of time, too.
Just in time. I'm exhausted. We didn't sleep last night.
Take a breather.
We rebuilt a transmission in our hotel room.
Are you in your hotel room?
In the hotel room. I'm not always a transmission builder, but when I am, I stay at Holiday Inn Express.
Love it. Oh, Jesus.
We still have a lot of work to do.
Isn't Drag Week fun?
It is fun.
Hell yeah. Well, congrats on making it. I hope you have an awesome pass.
Thanks. I hope so too.
Oh my God.
Not cutting it close.
Woo. What are you hoping for?
850, but
Close. Not too shabby.
869.
I'd be happy with that, man. Holy crap.
That night I just had, man.
That was a long finish line.
I'm gonna go get some sleep.
Good job.
See you guys later.
Wow, you're here early. I figured you'd be sleeping until like noon or something.
What's up? How you guys doing?
Good. How about you?
Welcome to day 4.
Better than yesterday?
Way better, way better.
Good.
So
Got some sleep?
we got sleep, yes. They gave our hotel room away though.
Are you serious?
Thank you to Country Inn, yes. But
Oh,
we found
man.
one down the street and we're all rested up after we turned day 2 and 3 into one full day.
Yeah.
Combined. So smooth sailing on the road. They were ready to put on a show today.
Hell yeah. That's what I like to hear. Where are you at in the class right now?
Bad.
Bad?
12.
Yeah.
Yeah, no chance. So I'm going to go into full show mode.
Perfect.
So, long burnouts, try to do some big wheelies.
I love to hear that.
Yeah. So,
Cool. Well, hopefully you get it done early today. Have some fun.
yes.
Enjoy the rest of the drive.
We're gonna.
All right.
Big show tomorrow.
No more transmission rebuilds.
No more. No.
Good luck.
Thanks, Kyle.
840.
840?
Yeah.
Nice. That was a clean pass.
Hell
man.
yeah.
I'll tell you what, a long way from rebuilding the trans in the hotel
No
room
kidding.
right there, man.
That's a
I'll
relief.
take it. I'll take it. Whew, felt good. Drag week's all about, right there. Hopefully you
One and
boys,
done. Get the hell out of here.
Hopefully you boys got the burnout on video.
Oh yes.
All right. I think I did a hell of a smoke show for everybody. Everywhere. What's happening?
What's up?
How we doing?
Good.
How's the trip so far?
I don't know. I slept until we got here.
Lucky you.
How's the second rebuild on the trans?
The second rebuild went good.
Which hotel room did you like better as a rebuild?
The second one definitely. Yeah. We lost reverse.
Oh, it's your
And the trans
completely
brake.
lost. Only
Yeah, it's
rich
gone.
people have reverse.
Yeah, no trans brake, no reverse. So.
Well, I didn't do that.